Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can add products from Alibaba to Shopify. Now you just want to follow these simple steps and you will be able to do that. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to log in into your Shopify store. Now you want to select which store you want to add products to. For example, I'm going to add products to this store. Now after you open, guys, your Shopify store, what you want to do, guys, next is you want to click on where it says apps. Okay, you want to click on add apps. In the left it says here add apps. Now after that, guys, you want to scroll down. Okay, scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. Now after you click on Shopify App Store, now it will show you all different apps, but you have to search for this app. It's called Alibaba. Okay, search for Alibaba drop shipping. Okay, Alibaba dropshipping, and so enter that, click enter, and here is the app. Okay, make sure you select this app. It's called Dropshipping Alibaba Official. It says their dropship products on sale from global manufacturers. Now this is very easy, guys. You just want to select this app and then click add app. Okay, now after you click, guys, on add app, you want to click on install app in the top right. Now it will take you directly to Alibaba. What you want to do, guys, next, you want to sign up or log in into your Alibaba account. Now I'm going to use my Facebook to log in. Okay, guys, next thing you want to do, guys, is you want to connect your Shopify store to Alibaba. Okay, how you can do that? Very easy, guys. All you have to do, you want to just click my store. Okay, as you can see, my store in the left, it says there my store. Click on it, scroll down a little bit, and here you will find Shopify, eBay, commerce, iQuid. Now you want to add your Shopify here. Click on add store, and you need to copy the URL of your Shopify store. I'm going to do that right now. So the URL of my Shopify store is this. You can if you don't know how to copy it, I'm going to be showing you how you can do that right now. Now you want to click your name in the top right of your Shopify store, and then click stores, and this is your Shopify URL. Okay, this is it. Now I'm going to copy this one because I have two stores, paste it on a new tab, and delete Shopify, my shopify.com. delete it because Alibaba already has that. Now you just want to copy the URL and then delete shopify.com. As you can see, it says here .shopify.com, so you don't need to type it again. Okay, now click on add store. Now it will be added to your Shopify. Now as you can see here, guys, you will find here your store. As you can see, this is my store. You want to click on, it's already connected. As you can see, it's already connected. Now next thing you want to do, guys, you want to close all these things, like close everything. Now everything. Now you want to open your Shopify again. Okay, Shopify, and you want to log into your account. Now we have added the app to our Shopify store. Now we can easily import products from Alibaba to Shopify. Now next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom right, and then click on apps and sales, and here you will find the app. Okay, what you want to do, guys, next, you want to click on the app, Dropshipping Alibaba Official. Click on it, and then click open app in the top right. Now next thing, guys, if it asks you to log in. If it doesn't, then you already logged in. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to just select any product here. For example, I want to import this product to my Shopify store. Click on it, or you can search in the top, by the way. Now after that, guys, here you can see here in the right, it says here add to import list. Click on it, and then click go to import list. Okay, click on go to import list, and here what you want to do, guys, next is you want to click on push to store. Okay, as you can see, this click on push to store. Now after you click, guys, on push to store, what you want to do, guys, next, you want to go to your Shopify store. Okay, after you click on that orange button, go to your Shopify store, and then click on products, and here you will find the product that you have added from Alibaba. Click on it, and now you can edit the product, you can edit the title, you can edit the product states, you can edit everything you need, the pictures. You can also remove these pictures if you want. Now I will leave you with this, guys. You can customize this as you want. You can or remove you can change the price. Now whenever someone places an order on Shopify, you can it will automatically it will be placed on Alibaba. So if this video, guys, helped you, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments right now. I'll reply to every single comment, and leave a like. That would be highly appreciated. See you guys next video.